Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that we have done some unboxing on this channel. Why are dogs barking right now? I don't mind them barking, but I'm shooting right now, okay? They should understand. So, we haven't done any unboxing on this channel for a really long time, but today we are going to do some very interesting unboxing. So, we got our hands on this ultimate gaming monitor. So, MSI recently launched its 240Hz esport gaming monitor in India, and we got our hands on it. It's right here. So if we talk about this monitor, it's equipped with 24.5 frameless design, 240Hz refresh rate and 1ms response rapid IPS panel with HDR and G-Sync compatibility. So enough talking about the monitor, let's unbox this. So I don't have any fancy knives to cut this thing out. So I'm going to use this rusty knife. So we just flip the box and now it's pretty easy. Finally! The monitor is out of the box. You guys might be wondering why I'm doing this on the floor, because I feel very comfortable and safe while I'm doing this on the floor, or else I don't trust myself doing it on the table. Because I know myself, I'll drop in something and oh god, this is actually frameless. Like I cannot see the frames. Oh my god, this is pretty. Let's assemble it. We have our main monitor screen. As you can see, it's frameless and it's very lightweight as well for a monitor. So let's assemble, and it's pretty easy to assemble too. So let's talk about what more things this monitor has to offer. MSI Optics MAG251 RX can take on any game without stuttering, flickering or tearing because of its certified G-Sync compatibility. This monitor has HDR displays which delivers better contrast and color accuracy as well as more vibrant colors. As a result, HDR is gaining interest from wide range of applications including gaming, movie, multimedia and content creation too. The aim is to let the human eye see the picture as real as possible. The MSI Optics gaming monitor is built to enhance your gaming session to be as comfortable as possible. The MAG251RX also comes with MSI Mystic lights. Choose your colors. MSI's dedicated gaming OSD app lets you create optimal profiles for each game. So I have made two profiles, one is for Valorant and one is for PUBG. So for brightness in Valorant 80 is fine and contrast 70 is doing good. For response time I'm going for the fastest because why not? And there's no need for image enhancement because we are not playing like story mode game or something where you need more visuals. So for color temperature I would go for normal because cool is looking good, but this is giving me a more warmer tone and warm will be too yellow, so let's go for normal. Yeah, so these are my settings for Valorant. And this application also has this feature called split window and I'm a fan of this. You can use you can like organize multiple windows on one screen. So I'll go for Discord, OBS and my YouTube screen. OBS and my YouTube. This is very amazing for streamers, TBH. Wouldn't it be an incredible gaming experience based on all the features this monitor has to offer? So now I'm very much excited to try some games on MSI Optics MAG251RX gaming monitor. How about Valorant, where more FPS isn't enough? FabView is monitor which is good for esport with fab specs, 240Hz refresh rate, rapid IPS with 1 ms GTG, MSI app and G-Sync. What more can I ask for? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video informative, so please make sure to hit that like button. And not to mention, and MSI has sold around 3 million monitors worldwide, and that's wonderful. If you want to buy your MSI monitor, the link is in the description. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down your favorite monitor maybe. Thank you.